Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT Biology once, and from today we are going to start our second time revision of class 11th NCERT Biology. If you are finding these daily biology MCQs helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Today we are going to provide you the MCQs from first chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology, the living world. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Different genera having common characteristics are placed in larger group called option A, family, option B, order, option C, division, option D, class. Genera having common characteristics. The correct answer is option A, that is family. Question number 2. The smallest unit of classification is option A, division, option B, series, option C, species, or option D, order. The correct answer is option C, that is species. Question number 3. Taxonomic rank in plant classification which is equivalent to phylum of animal classification is option A, order, option B, division, option C, class, or option D, subkingdom. The correct answer is option B, that is division. Question number 4. Family to which wheat belongs to. Option A, Monocotyledone, option B, Malvaceae, option C, Poaceae, or option D, Poales. The correct answer is option C, Poaceae is the family to which the wheat belongs. Question number 5. A generic name of plant should always begin with option A, uppercase, option B, lowercase, option C, bold, small letter, or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, uppercase letter. Question number 6. While selecting the generic name, which of the following can be used? Option A, name of a person, option B, character of a plant, option C, a name from literature, or option D, all of above. The correct answer is option D, all of above. Question number 7. In the entire plant kingdom, the name used for a species cannot be repeated in other genera, can be repeated in another genera, can be repeated in same genus, can be repeated in same as well as another genus. The correct answer is option B, it can be repeated in another genus. Question number 8. Highest unit of classification is option A, kingdom, option B, division, option C, class, or option D, family. The correct answer is option A, that is kingdom. Question number 9. A taxon refers to option A, a type of living organism, option B, group of closely related plants, option C, a taxonomic unit of any rank, option D, a group of closely related families. The correct answer is option C, a taxonomic unit of any rank. Question number 10. Artificial system of classification was given by option A, Sokal and Sneath, option B, Bentham and Hooker, option C, Hutchinson, or option D, Linnaeus. Artificial system of classification was given by. The correct answer is option D, Carolus Linnaeus gave artificial system of classification. Question number 11. The method of classifying plants on the basis of several characters like essential oils and pigments is called as option A, phylogenetic system, option B, numerical taxonomy, option C, chemotaxonomy, or option D, natural system. Classification of plants on basis of characters like essential oils and pigments. The correct answer is option C, chemotaxonomy. Question number 12. Binomial nomenclature system of Linnaeus means that every organism has option A, one name given by two scientists, option B, two names, one Latin and other of a person, option C, two names, one scientific and other popular name, or option D, one scientific name with a generic and specific epithet? The correct answer is option D, that is one scientific name with generic and another one with specific epithet. Question number 13. Who amongst the following is regarded as father of taxonomy? Linnaeus, Hooker, Theophrastus, or Takhtarzan? The correct answer is option A. Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. Question number 14. All algae have option A, phycobilin and carotene, option B, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, option C, chlorophyll B and carotene, option D, chlorophyll A and carotene. The correct answer is option D, chlorophyll A and carotene is present in all algae. Question number 15. Common form of food stored in a fungal cell is option A, glycogen, option B, starch, option C, glucose, or option D, sucrose. The correct answer is option A, that is glycogen is the common form of food stored in fungal cells. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.